Alright everyone, welcome back to Dr. Shorof's classes, and today we are tackling a beautiful conceptual problem from the ISI JRF, that is the Indian Statistical Institute Junior Research Fellowship examination. Now let me tell you, this examination is not about the formula throwing, it's about deep understanding and sharp thinking. So if your brain does not sweat a little, ISI says come back next year. Okay, and today's problem looks very cool, but trust me, it hides a powerful idea from the linear algebra and the matrix theory. So let's come back to the question. Let A be a 2 cross 2 matrix with positive entries. Show that A is diagonalizable. That is, A is equivalent to diagonal matrix under the similarity transformation. Okay. Now tell me honestly, does positive entries automatically mean nice behavior? You can say yes ma'am or maybe. That maybe is exactly where the ISI catches you. Okay, a matrix is diagonalizable if it has two linearly independent eigenvectors or it has two distinct eigenvalues. Okay, and ISI loves this shortcut. If eigenvalues are different, done, diagonalizable. Okay, now just give me a second, just let me make some space. Okay, now let matrix A is A, B, C, D. Okay, where A, B, C, D greater than 0. Okay, now the characteristic equation. Determinant of A minus lambda I is 0. So A minus lambda, B, C, D minus lambda. This is 0. So A minus lambda into D minus lambda minus BC equal to 0. So lambda square minus A plus D into lambda plus AD minus BC, that is 0, right? So A plus D is what? Trace, and AD minus BC is what? Determinant. Okay, now we check the discriminant. D is what? Capital D is A plus D whole square minus 4 into AD minus BC. So now simplify. So D will be equal to A square plus 2AD plus D square minus 4AD plus 4BC, right? So D will be equal to A minus D whole square plus 4BC, right? Now look carefully. A minus D whole square definitely greater than equal to 0, and B greater than 0, C greater than 0, thus BC greater than 0. So D is equal to what? A minus D whole square plus 4BC, that will be greater than 0, right? So discriminant is strictly positive, so eigenvalues are real and distinct. Okay, discriminant positive and the eigenvalues are real and distinct. Okay, so now combine everything in. So two dependent eigenvectors exist, two independent eigenvectors exist, and matrix is diagonalizable. Okay, therefore any 2 cross 2 matrix with positive entries is diagonalizable. Okay, Now this result is actually a baby version of a much bigger idea. In advanced math, this connects to the Perron-Frobenius theorem, which says positive matrices have very nice eigenvalue behavior. But ISI does not need that full theory, just this smart observation. Okay. Now, if this question comes in the examination, do not overthink. Don't try the eigenvectors and don't solve fully. Just show discriminant is greater than 0, distinct eigenvalues and diagonalizable. Done in just 2 minutes max. Okay. So today we learned a matrix with all positive entries is not just nice. It is also well behaved that it becomes diagonalizable without any drama. Okay. So we have just solved a very nice question from the ISI JRF Physics and Applied Mathematics. We will meet at the next session with a new question of this examination. Okay. Don't miss that out. It will be very, very beneficial for you. So see you in the next session. Bye bye.